Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create credit account. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. If you are tired of the standard social media experience, you can try Reddit. While it's not considered one of the major social media platforms, its user will tell you in a long-term essay that Reddit is an excellent tool to discuss everything from news and entertainment to conspiracy theories and DIY home project. So you can use Reddit without an account, but if you want to, but it's only in read only mode. So if you want to use this Reddit, you can just sign up. You can create account. It's very simple. So first of all, of course, you can open your Reddit apps on your mobile app, or you can open the website on your PC or laptop. Here's I'm using my laptop, so I open the Reddit website. Now you can just click on login if you already have the account, or you can just clicking on the three dots over here and choose on login or sign up. Here's you can continue with your Apple account, or you can login or sign up using your uh, Google account. For example, I will using my Google account. Can wait. You can agree to get emails about cool stuff on Reddit, but if you don't want, you can just click on continue or skip. You can choose your identity. You can pick your interest on Reddit, like popular, and also places that you're interested in. This one also, I can just choose in here to manage your what's Reddit will recommend you the content on the Reddit. Huh? This one, I will choose this. Click continue after finish. Now Reddit personalizing your experience. So here you go. Here's how to now here you have your own Reddit account. Now you can use your Reddit like this. It's very simple, right? So that is how to create a Reddit account. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.